Today, I'm gonna do some glitches with this guy. So here's the first one. The first one is this.
Ooh.
These. A glitch Animal Company refuses to fix. So here's how they work. That, you shoot it at someone. Boom.
It automatically explodes.
He's red watch, see that?
One tap button. Huh. That's actually pretty cool. I didn't really know you can do that.
Wait, he's red watch. This third glitch requires this. So,
And this too.
yeah, do it to the monkey.
There you go.
It's a doofy glitch, and it makes the monkey smaller. So that's gonna do it for today. And if you comment anything that it doesn't work, you're either doing it wrong or it doesn't work anymore. So yeah, goodbye!